everyone. So this is the wrap up for the dive you just watched. So this was in another video, and people asked, a couple of people emailed me and asked about it. Yeah, my buddy Eddie Bigness, he runs, or he and his wife have an outfit called Secret Beach Trading Company. I'll leave a link below in the description for their channel. He made that for me, made me a couple of those and a few other things for the channel. Check out his stuff. He and his wife make some pretty good products. A lot of plant stuff and like succulents and stuff like that. And Eddie makes some really cool planters. I'm actually going to feature some of his stuff in a giveaway coming up here sometime soon. As I keep saying, I'm going to have a giveaway, but just have yet to do it. So, anyways, to the stuff. Nice little woody station wagon. I found quite a few toys underneath that same dock I was just under. A pair of Ray-Bans. I'm not sure they're real or not. It doesn't say anything on the bows other than a number. It doesn't say, you know, Italy or Japan or anything. So, but the lenses, I think they're plastic, so they're probably not genuine Ray-Bans. These, no names, so I guess like Polish Mafia 928 says, maybe gas station glasses, along with these two pairs. Well, I don't know, maybe not. This is these are both SunCloud brands. Not familiar with it, but I'll look them up and see if they're anything. They both seem to be in pretty good shape. They were actually found in the directly underneath where pretty much I found this jewelry and the credit card. So maybe I can track that down and find the owner of the ring at least. The earrings not real, or at least why it doesn't have any markers on it. But the ring actually is. It's a gold wedding band, 14 karat. If anybody recognizes the spot I was at and recognizes a ring, just give me a give me send me an email, send my about thing, let me know what markings are in it, and we can work on getting that back to you. Okay, looks like it was a day for prescription glasses, a couple pair of readers, and actually it was a pair of prescription glasses, readers, and then these are also prescription glasses. Probably just end up in the donate bag, and I'll make a video with that too. I got a bunch of them I need to drop off. A good dollar bill. Cash is always great. I love cash. Nice snap. Looks like in pretty new and workable condition. And then the Soarin' drop. I find quite a few of those, or have anyways found quite a few of those. So anyways, wrap up completed. As always, appreciate everybody tuning in. Thanks very much for comments. I really appreciate the family-friendly content that comes my way through the comments. Like and subscribe if you have a mind to. See y'all in the water.